Corvus is a widely distributed genus of medium-sized to large birds in the family Corvidae. It includes species commonly known as crows, ravens and rooks. The species commonly encountered in Europe are the carrion crow, the hooded crow, the common raven and the rook. Those discovered later were named crow or raven, chiefly on the basis of their size, crows generally being smaller. The genus name is Latin for crow. The 45 or so members of this genus occur on all temperate continents except South America, and several islands. The Corvus genus makes up a third of the species in the family Corvidae. The members appear to have evolved in Asia from the corvid stock, which had evolved in Australia. The collective name for a group of crows is a flock, or a murder. Recent research has found some crow species capable of not only tool use, but also tool construction. Crows are now considered to be among the world's most intelligent animals with an encephalization quotient equal to that of many non-human primates. Medium-large species are ascribed to the genus, ranging from 34 cm 13 in of some small Mexican species to 60 to 70 cm 24 to 28 in of the large common raven and thick-billed raven, which together with the lyrebird represent the larger passerines. These are birds with a robust and slender appearance, equipped with a small rounded head with a strong conical beak, elongated and pointed, with a slightly curved end towards the bottom. The legs are strong and the tail is short and wedge-shaped. The coloration of the livery is dominated by shades of black, with some species having plumage with metallic iridescence and others that have white or gray areas on the neck or torso. Australian species have light eyes, while generally the irises are dark. The members of the genus Corvus are believed to have evolved in Central Asia and radiated out from there into North America, Africa, Europe, and Australia. The latest evidence regarding the evolution indicates descent within the Australasian family Corvidae. However, the branch that would produce the modern groups such as jays, magpies, and large, predominantly black corvus species had left Australasia and were concentrated in Asia by the time the corvus species evolved. The genus was originally described by Carl Linnaeus in his 1758 10th edition of Systema Naturae. The name is derived from the Latin corvus meaning raven. The type species is the common raven Corvus corax. Others named in by Linnaeus in the same work include the carrion crow Circa corone, the hooded crow Circa cornix, the rook C. frugilegus, and two species which have since been moved to other genera, the western jackdaw now Coloas manedula, and the Eurasian magpie now Pica pica. At least 42 extant species are now considered to be members of Corvus, and at least 14 extinct species have been described. The fossil record of crows is rather dense in Europe, but the relationships among most prehistoric species are not clear. Corvids are found in major cities across the world, and a major increase in the number of crows in urban settings has occurred since the 1900s. Historical records suggest that the population of American crows found in North America has been growing steadily since the introduction of European colonization, and spread east to west with the opening of the frontier. Crows were uncommon in the Pacific Northwest in the 1900s, except in riparian habitats. Populations in the West increased substantially from the late 1800s to the mid-1900s. Crows and ravens spread along with agriculture and urbanization into the western part of North America.